Hey everyone, I hope you remember me. This is Israel Sneeze. I'm sure a lot of you figured out that my YouTube channel was taken down, unfortunately, many months ago. Must be around a year now, probably. Um, uh, my heart was broken. There were a lot of videos there, really old videos that I don't have copies of. Everything was taken down, everything disappeared, and I have none of them anymore. So it took me a while to be able to kind of take this step and reopen another channel, but I'm here, and I'm here for you guys. Hopefully, hopefully some of you remember me. And I have some Chinkney left, but I figured, since it's, new times and we're starting something new, I'd go with pepper this time. I have some, I actually keep it in a drawer by my bed, just for, in case of emergencies, in case anyone wants to, sniff some. And this actually, I've actually learned how to use pepper. It's not as easy as people think. Or well, it is easy, but it's not the way people think it works. You don't actually have to sniff the pepper itself. That just burns. It just burns like hell, and it doesn't have too much of an effect. But if you kind of shake the jar up or whatever it is, whatever your pepper's in, just a little bit, and you sniff that little cloud, the little puff of pepper that comes up afterwards, that's like really bad. That actually does get me going. And I noticed that while cooking also, because when you're cooking and the reason that everyone says that pepper makes you sneeze is not, when you're cooking you don't actually sniff the little pepper pieces. um, that cloud of pepper smoke kind of gets into your nose, and that's really what makes you sneeze. So I didn't shake it enough. I'm gonna shake it a little bit more, even though I can feel it tickling actually. Um, Hopefully this will work. Oh yeah. See, I only sniffed the top. I didn't actually sniff the little grains. I didn't inhale the pepper itself. Also, I cut my hair. This was actually now in quarantine. Just got tired of my long hair, just chopped it off. And also got a new phone a couple months back. So hopefully it's better quality than the videos I took before. Pepper is tickling, but it's not making me sneeze yet. I don't want to have to break out the chinkney so early. So it does make you kind of cough, but it doesn't burn. It doesn't burn. When you actually sniff the pepper itself, it does really kind of burn in your nostrils. I think I'm too used to holding back my sneezes. And now I'm just like, no, don't let him come. I haven't sneezed on camera in a long time. It's been months and months. You gotta forgive me if I'm a little shy at first. It's almost there. It almost came. And I'm getting all snotty. Also, this usually works faster, but it's probably just because I'm so out of practice. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Whoa. That was a good one. Good first sneeze back on camera, back on YouTube. I also reopened my Patreon account. So gonna be some videos there. And just a little while before my channel got taken down, I just started to kind of get used to messy sneezes, which, you know, I was really embarrassed to do before, but holy crap. I was sorry, I was saying I was really embarrassed. Messy sneezes were not my thing. I always kind of accidentally stifle them. I always constantly blow my nose. But I had just gotten used to, and as I was saying, I had just gotten used to filming messy sneezes, not having the need to blow my nose every second and just kind of letting everything come out. But then everything got taken down, and I kind of have to start over. But I'll get there. I'll get to the messy sneezes too, I'm sure. Just one more whiff. I think this is like old pepper or something. I don't know. It's my boyfriend's sneeze, but maybe I need like a fresher thing of pepper. Holy crap. This is just so close. One thing I didn't go back to is filming with no video, just sound. That was where I started from a few years ago. Must be like, I don't know, 8 years now since I started my channel. Then I gradually moved to filming myself kind of from the chin down, from the nose down, so people couldn't see my face. And then I finally managed to face my fears and just put myself out there for all you guys to see. This is torture. Just a little bit of welcome back snot. Sorry, that was covered. I was gonna do a no covered sneezing, like at all, but it's just instinct, you know? At least I'm sneezing. It's already 9 minutes long. But I'm gonna try one last whiff of pepper, okay? Just for my first video. And I will move back to Chinkini at some point, don't worry. I also have like tobacco snuff, you know, that works too, I think. There's always like the trusty tissue method. I'd like to try some dust also, see if that gets me going. I do also have allergies, but nothing that I feel I can induce with. I guess pollen and stuff, but I don't know what pollen. Like, I don't know where to find flowers or plants that I actually need that would make me sneeze. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those sneezers who could just like sniff a flower and start sneezing uncontrollably. Kind of wish I could. Kind of always been jealous of other YouTubers who could do that. Okay. I have sniffed clouds of black pepper and it's really tickling, but it'll come out eventually. I can feel it building up. It's just like tickling right there at the tip of my nose. Come on. I have to sneeze so bad. Sorry, I gotta get it out. I don't think people even use the tissue method anymore from what I've seen on, other people's YouTube channels. It's like gone. People just use Chinkney. I don't want to use the tissue method, but I feel like I gotta get him out, so. Come on. This is hard. It's been too long. Just sneeze again. Oh. Wow. That was incredibly messy. Not done. Now all that pepper's coming out. One more. Just checking if I have any more in me before I shut this video off and upload it. I think that's it, guys. Okay, well, you're welcome to like and hopefully subscribe, because when my channel got taken down, I had almost 900 subscribers, and now I'm down to 0. So let's see who the first one is. It's good to see you guys again, and hopefully you'll see lots more of me. Bye!